bruv, if you man want to talk about Arsenal, we could talk about Arsenal. You know that, man. You man are the end, blood. What's there to talk about? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean? My
I think
guy
they're gonna have a
Trossard
slow
played
start to the
well.
season.
I said they were good anyway. I said he was good.
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
said he was
Trossard's
good.
a baller, man.
Bro, I
Bro,
said he's your
Trossard,
best
he needs to
player.
play.
And now you're seeing he's your best player. Well done. Thank me. Do you know what I mean? Your manager still won't play him, though. He's an idiot.
Wow.
You know, like, bro, that's what it is, bro. I said he was the best player. The videos are there.
Yeah, yeah.
He's their best player.
He's what left foot, right foot. Left foot,
Bruv,
right foot, man.
Come on,
I'm
bro.
telling you.
What a player. What a player. But he's not going to play, though.
Yeah.
Because Arteta's a waste.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. He should be playing ahead of Havertz, man.
Come on,
He could
bro.
play in that left 8 role, man.
Bro.
You know what I mean? Instead of that Havertz, man. But
Bruv, he could
you
play
know what I mean? He's a good player, man. I would have loved him at United, man. You know what I mean? Because he's versatile, man. You get me?
Bruv, listen,
Baller,
he's better
man.
than Martinelli on the left. He's better than Havertz in the 8. Bro, he could play false 9. Bro, he's a baller, bro. That Brer should be started, bro. He should be one of the first names on the team sheet. But what's going to happen is he's not going to play, bro.
No.
That's
No,
what's
he's
going
not
to
going to
happen.
play, man.
He's not going to play, bro.
Better if I stayed at Brighton, man. Yeah, you know I mean, like at least he would have balled out there, man. But you get me. He wanted a bigger move. But end of the day, yeah, like I said, man, Arsenal. I think they're gonna have a slow start to the season, man. I don't think they're gonna be quick, you know, off the books. But I think last season's kind of hangover is gonna continue, man. So and they're gonna have to find the right balance in that midfield, because it ain't looking right now. I can't lie. You know what I'm saying? Who played the midfield yesterday night, people? Was it Trossard or was it Partey that played last night? Because I didn't watch the game. Who played the midfield?
I just saw the highlights, bro, and I saw like there was a lot of changes for both teams in both halves. To be honest, do you know what I'm saying?
Hey.
I saw the goals, some very good goals. But I don't know. Like you said, Partey, Havertz, Odegaard. See, so no Declan.
Oh, no Declan Rent. So Havertz keeps being that the guy that's set in stone. Then okay, they're trying to find a balance for Havertz. Then
Yeah, I think that they're just trying to settle him in the team, so they're playing him with both, innit? But I think that he'll be the one to make way when Arsenal are under pressure. In the pressure moments, they won't play Havertz.
Nah, they can't, man. They can't, bro. You get me? Don't guarantee goals, and he's flipping. I mean, he's just I don't know what he is, man. You get me?
That's it.
You know the ones.
He's not good in it. Like it's one of them ones where I'll be real. I'm looking forward to the rivalry with Arsenal fans this season, very much so. Do you know what I mean?
Bro, I know you are, man. You're already ready right now. You look, you're
yeah,
giving
bro.
a lecture and that.
No, bro. I'm looking forward to it, and the reason why I'm looking forward to it is because they don't have the character. Like Gabriel Jesus come out basically admitted that they bottled it last year.
Bro,
you know what I'm saying?
That comment was wild, though, man. Like, that is, I don't know, man. That was a lot of excuses, though, man. Like, what did he say? Something like, he said something. What did he say? That was like, I was like, shit.
They got nervous on that.
He got nervous on that. I was like, bro, come on, man. You get me, like, I don't know, man. You've been in that title race.
They're worried, and you know what it is? They don't have the winning mentality. You saw, like, everyone say hi to Declan and that. Arteta's a sideman, bro. He's a substitute teacher. That's what he is. He's the substitute teacher, that everyone loves. Everyone knows. You know when you had that supply teacher and the supply teacher would come true and you think, oh, yeah, he's cool. We can fuck about in his class. And he just, bro, like, he's that guy. You know what I mean? He's that guy. He's that, we used to have them substitute teachers from New Zealand that used to come in on vibes. You know, when you're a supply teacher, you get like time and a half. They're making more money. They didn't care, bruv. Like, he's one of them guys.
You know what happens, though? When you have a substitute, you don't really learn, and then you
don't learn, bruv. That's exactly it, blood. But it's fun.
Jeez.
You know what it's fun, yeah. And that's what I mean. It's fun, but then you fail, innit? And that's exactly what Arteta is. Arteta is that fun substitute teacher that you fail in his classes, but it was fun.
It was fun. It was vibes.
That's it. It was vibes. What? Man was listening
we
to
had
my
that
Walkman in class. What? I was listening to my music and that. Come on, man's playing Snake on my phone in the class under the table. Teacher don't care. Teacher's chilling on the desk and that. You know what I mean? Like, this is what it is, bro.
He's telling you to copy the answers outside the book and that. He's telling you to copy the answers at the back.
This is it.
You get me? Don't worry. You know what I mean? Comprehension.
That's Arteta. Arteta's that fun teacher that lets you do what he wants in class, but then you realize on exam day that maybe I should have been doing something.
Yeah, yeah. Maybe I should. Maybe you know what? That teacher we was slating there, and she was harsh on us. Yeah, nah. We should have. We should have listened to her, man. You get me? Like, yeah, man.
You wanted the best for you, big man. Do you know what I'm saying? Arteta's on a vibes thing. You know, that's what he is, and it's great for the players to feel happy. But bro, players are happiest when they're winning trophies, and that's why As much as players hate Jose, yeah, like, bro,
Yeah,
like
that's a good analogy.
they have a bond with him because this bro is a winner, innit? Arteta doesn't demand winning football, blood. He doesn't. Like, he doesn't demand it.
No.
He doesn't have that aura about him, and he'll never have that, bro, because he's not a winner, bro. Do you know what I'm saying?
No.
He's just a very good coach, but very good coach doesn't mean winner. Doesn't mean that.
We'll see with Poch in it, man. We'll see what he's about as well, man.
Oh,
You get me?
Pochettino looks like he's not fucking about, though. Did you see the press conference when he said, sorry, you, man, but squad's too big, man are getting sold? He don't care.
Yeah.
Like, Pochettino said, listen, yeah, he said less is more in it, and sometimes more is less. We got too many players, certain man are getting sold blatantly. Like, and that's what you gotta do. That's what you gotta do.
Yeah,
said, yo, you man are getting sold, bruv, against your will. Like, this is
against your will, yeah.
Bruv, you're gone. Like, this is exactly what he needed to do. Come in instead of what Potter was doing, trying to make everyone happy and all this bullshit. Yeah. Nah.
It's always the one that wants to make everyone happy that never does well in the end. I mean, it's like the managers that want to make people happy in the end, they don't really do well, man. So, but you got to stamp your authority. Look at Pep Guardiola, man. Like, this guy is a madman, innit? He just drops players, he benches players, but he does everything by his way.
He does.
I think you got to have that ruthless nature about you, man. You know,
you have to be prepared to upset people in life here to be successful. It's the only way. It's the only way. Like, Pep done it with Cancelo, and I think Cancelo's back with them on tour now, isn't he?
He's happy now. He looks happy now. I don't know.
But you see because Cancelo got dashed, and then he realized the grass weren't green on the other side, and now he's grateful to be there. And this is what happens. You have to put your foot down.
Yeah, that was wild from Cancelo, though. Like, you know what I mean? Just because you ain't getting your way in that, and then you think you're gonna get something else in Germany, then you get humbled, and you ain't really a good defender. Like, Pep Guardiola knows your game, man. Like, genuinely, man. Some of these players need to be humbled, man. Pep is one of the best in the world. Yeah, he knows your game, and because you ain't playing right now, it doesn't mean he don't rate you. It's just that he's trying to find a different way of playing, and that's why Rico Lewis came in and started to humble him a little bit. But yeah, I'm saying, like, it's one of them. You gotta have that tough love, man.
No, 100%, and that's exactly what it is. So I think City, even though someone said in the chat, addition by subtraction, I think that's what's going to happen at Man City. I think that Man City, they're going to get rid of players, not bring in as many, but it could actually make them more dangerous, blood. Do you know what I'm saying? Because a more tight-knit group, do you know what I'm saying? Another year more mature, another year understanding more the role, another year of John Stones improving.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? Another year of Phil Foden improving. All these other things could actually make them better.
Yeah. But I'm gonna be interested to see what Stones, man, that midfield role is gonna play, man. I don't know, man. I can't lie, it's looking wild, man. But that's again, man, a player who's just very comfortable on the ball. This is what I'm saying at United. We need to create this culture that players are just comfortable on the ball. So then they're so receptive to playing at different positions, isn't it? Like they're calm to play. You know what? I got this. CDM, like Lisandro Martinez. I don't know, man. I've just got this obsession that he can actually play that role. But again, we've never tried it because of the way he plays in centre back, he progresses the ball so well. But we don't really have anyone
I think that all of his talents, even though he could play DM, they lend to be in centre back because he gets a little bit more space in it, like, so he can be more dangerous.
Yeah.
I think his connection with the goalkeeper, amazing. You know what I'm saying? So I think that no. I think centre back's the best, and he steps into midfield now. Onana, because Onana steps into centre back almost, which allows Lisandro to step forward. If you watch, like, he was almost coming in as a third centre back, the goalkeeper, which is sick.
Facts.
Do you know what I mean? Yep. So, man, I think we're gonna be all right. Big up, my man, for the super chat. Before we wrap up, do you think Lukaku's gonna stay at Chelsea? I don't think so, but he's in a situation where nobody wants him in it. It's a very strange situation for him because his ego's so big. And I feel like this would have given him an absolute slap in the head.
You see,
no one wants it. Nah, what happened?
Trust nobody. He said trust nobody. I'm like, bro.
Nah, he thinks the whole world's against him now, bro. Lukaku, he's getting paranoid now. You know, like that. That man thinks everyone hates him now. Man saying, nah, allow it, bro. Man said trust no one. You know? Man said snakes everywhere and that. Man's feeling like Scarface, Lukaku.
Scarface, Lukaku, you know, like, bro, you read the room, man. You're the one that made that interview saying you miss Inter Milan in December. Like, come on, man. Like, allow that, man. Allow that, bro.
He's not serious. He's not serious.
You get me?